Welcome to our video. Today we will explore the functionality of the Elemantra app, which has been designed and developed by Studyleague IT Solutions. Elemantra essentially offers two interfaces, Hire for Work and Find Work. Before delving into the app, let's initially examine the types of users, their hierarchy, and determine which interface they will have access to. In the Hire for Work interface, if you wish to hire someone, the hierarchy is as follows. In the Find Work interface, the hierarchy follows this structure if you are seeking employment. We will open the Elemantra app and sign in as an interior designer. You can sign in using the conventional method or through Google Sign In, whether you are registered through Google or not. Here you will see the dashboard of the interior designer interface. All user types have a mostly similar dashboard with some minor differences that we will discuss one by one while exploring other interface. On the home dashboard, the projects created number represents the count of projects you have created. The application received numbers reflects the total number of applications received across all projects. The application accepted number indicates how many applicants you have sent requests to meet. And the projects assigned number signifies the count of projects where you have assigned someone to perform the work. If you look below at Create New Project, you will find three tabs: Turnkey Contractor, Individual Contractor, and Skill Labor. Now tap on the Turnkey Contractor tab. After tapping, you will see a form that needs to be filled with all the mandatory details to create a project. Since we have already created a project, we will check it out on the My Projects page. In My Projects section, you can view the list of projects created by the interior designer. Let's explore the projects that was created for the turnkey contractor. By tapping on the details, you can review the information filled out in the form, and you have the option to edit or delete the entire project. However, the project is not yet live and available on the market. To make it accessible, you must first complete the BOQ details. BOQ details represent the subtasks that contractors have to perform or work on. For example, if the project involves electrical work and wiring needs to be done, it is considered as one task. Therefore, a single project can have numerous BOQs. Here you can observe the project is live. If you click on BOQ details, you will see the number of tasks that the contractor has to perform. Here you can see the BOQ details of particular subtask. You can edit or delete at the initial stage of the My Project creation. Returning to the My Projects page, as you scroll down, you will notice various tags on projects such as Live, Applications, and Assigned. This represents the different stages that the projects have been going through. If I tap on My Applications, you can see the applications received on a particular project. If I click on a specific project's application page, you will see the list of individuals who have applied to your project. You can review the applicant's profile, including their work details, work samples, and the reviews they have received for your work. By tapping on Cost Summary, you can view the price breakdown for each BOQ task created and the total project cost, as you can see here. And if you click on a particular work cost, electrical work cost summary, you can see the BOQ particular subtask cost, their quantity and rate, unit of measurement. At the top of this application page, you can click on filters one at a time, whether it's Elemantra verified, assigned, lowest cost, or highest rated. The applications will then be filtered according to your selection. Initially, the contact details of the applicants are concealed. If you request to meet them, the contact details of each other will become visible. Once you have assigned a contractor, clicking on the BOQ details of that specific project will display the basic details of the assigned contractor and the total cost summary for that project. Here you can see the total cost summary of the project and the assigned contractor. and here you can see the numbers getting visible after getting assigned. Now if you go to my profile, you will find all the basic details that can be edited. Now we will explore the turnkey contractor flow. Now let's explore the user type of turnkey contractor. After logging in, we will be directed to the default hiring interface for the turnkey contractor. Here the process will be similar to the designer flow we discussed earlier. As mentioned before, you can only initiate a project for individual contractors and skilled labor. In the Find Work interface, you will encounter the same dashboard as in the Hire for Work interface. However, instead of My Projects, you will find My Applications. Here the project's applied number indicates the total projects which you have applied. The project's application accepted number represents instance where creators of those projects have sent you a request to meet. Lastly, the project's assigned number reflects the count of projects for which you have been assigned. When you navigate to the Find Work page, you will encounter the most recently created projects, and you have the option to search for projects based on locality and pin code. Now let's explore the project details available here. If you click on details, you will view the general information that was provided during the project creation. Here you can see the project creation general details. Upon examining the POQ page, you will find the tasks that need to be carried out by us as a turnkey contractor. To apply for the project, you must complete the pricing for each and every BOQ request added by the interior designer. Let's explore the My Projects page in the Find Work interface, where we have already submitted an application for a project. As you can observe, we have provided pricing for every BOQ request and applied to the project. Here you can see the pricing applied to every request of the POQ. In My Projects page, you will encounter similar tags as those in the Hire for Work interface, but they carry distinct meanings and conditions. When you apply for a project on the Find Work page, it will be reflected in the My Projects page with the applied tag. If you receive a meeting request for the interior designer, the status changed is to shortlisted. Ultimately, if they assigned you after negotiation or any updates, the project status is updated to the assigned. If you click on details, you will see the interior designer's basic general details, so you can share and contact regarding any queries or any work they have to be done on this particular project. And on tapping on BQ details, you will see the overall project cost of this project, so you get the idea of the overall budget of the client and this project. We will briefly examine the flow for individual contractors. In this, both the Hire for Work and Find Work interfaces share a similar flow like turnkey contractor. Therefore, we will focus on checking out the profile page of individual contractors. If you simply tap on company details, you can update all the details you have filled. On the work sample page, you have the option to edit or delete the existing project samples or add new samples. In the work preference section, you can switch between various professions to find work in a specific field. Let's now delve into the user type of skilled labor, which exclusively features the Find Work interface. The entire user experience is analogous to that of all other user types. The only significant difference is that if I display the projects in the Find Work section, you won't find any BOQ details here. In skilled labor, there is no concept of BOQ estimation. The individual creating the project simply needs to provide basic details visible on the project details page, and that's it. And here on My Projects, you can see the various stages of the projects like applied, shortlisted and assigned, same as the turnkey contractor interface. Thus, we have completed all the flows and user type of Elemantra app. We will now see you in the next explainer video with some new and fresh concept which might be similar to your businesses. If you want to reach out to us, just check out our following details.